less than 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can make over $8,000 easily. I'm going to give you 2 side hustle options to choose from. And regardless of which one you choose, they're both great options. I'm currently doing both of them as my main hustle at this point. Now, if you're looking for something passive, you're gonna want to stick around and listen to the second one. It's probably the most passive one, and I think it's very lucrative. Okay, so option number 1 is that you become a loan signing agent. A loan signing agent makes anywhere from $75 to $200 per 1 hour appointment. Now, with those numbers, you can easily make $1,000 in a day. And I know that's a fact and not speculation because I've done that myself. Like I said, I'm doing these things full time. I'm not telling you something that I've heard elsewhere. These are things that I'm currently doing.
Okay, so you're interested in becoming a loan signing agent?
In making this your side hustle, but you don't quite know what a loan signing agent is. And that's fine. Most people don't. I know I didn't when I started. So here's what a loan signing agent is and what a loan signing agent does. A loan signing agent is a person who has the knowledge to guide a signer, a borrower, another person through a loan document package. So this can be anything such as a refinance or a purchase package where somebody's buying or they're refinancing their home, and you're going to guide that person through their loan package. You're going to notarize it and show them where to sign. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do, if you're interested in using this as the method for you to gain financial freedom, making easily $1,000 per day, $8,000 per month, if not more. I've seen people who are making $20,000 per month. So if you're interested in using this as a tool for that, go in the link in the description, click on the loan signing system course. It's a course that I've taken and I recommend to everyone. You're going to thank me later. Take that course, and honestly, I recommend that you take the 6-figure course. All right, and right off the bat, here's what I know you're going to need. You're going to need a dual tray printer. You're going to need a scanner. You're going to need a notary stamp, obviously a notary commission, a pen, and a bag. Once you have that, you're ready to start as a loan signing agent. All right, so option number 2 is you subscribe to my channel and share this video with a friend that you would like to be financially free with. All right, so let's start an ATM business. This is probably the most passive way for you to make money. And if you have a good location, you can easily make $1,000 per location in a month. I'm gonna show you right now what my ATM did in one day. Here you have what the dispenses were, so the money that people took out, and over here you have the money that I made in that one day. Now multiply this by 30 days and you see the potential in this business. Most people aren't even aware that this is an option. You know those generic ATMs that you see when you're out and about in the streets? Most of the times they're owned by independent operators and not the bank. All right, so how can you do this? And it's super simple. First thing you need to do is find the location. Once you find a good location, contact the owner of that location and try to set up a lease where you're just leasing a 2x2 little square of a space. That's it. Once you have that space, buy an ATM, place the ATM in that location, fill the ATM with money, and then sit back and watch the money grow in your account. It's that simple. Watch this next video here if you're interested in becoming a loan signing agent. Also, subscribe to my channel and comment below the questions that you have about these businesses so I can answer them for you. Peace.